Trainer here at Premier Fitness, and I'm going to fill in for Sarah today. We're going to do the walking class, and the first thing I would recommend is to drink some water before any exercise so that you can have plenty of fluid in your system. And the first thing we're going to do, we're just going to start walking to get warmed up. Just a slow walk, and move your legs. You don't have to move your arms yet. I would recommend having a chair nearby in case you feel unsteady or you get a little winded, then you can lean on a chair. It's always good to have that nearby. So we're just gonna get working, get our blood flowing, keep our legs moving. Just a gentle walking, and this is anything you could do at home. Keep yourself active. Especially with COVID, we're all locked up and not able to get out as much in the weather. So this is good to get moving. So we just walk a little bit, get warmed up. If you want to move your arms, you can. It's up to you. If at any time you just feel like it's too much, just slow down to a pace that's comfortable. Now we're just going to step forward one, and back, and forward, and back, simulating actual walking. Just keeping yourself moving, getting your legs working. A few minutes of warm-up is always good, gets the heart rate up, warms the circulation, and gets your muscles working. Gets ready for exercise. Keeps the joint fluids going and helps you to exercise. Keeps you preventing injury. Okay, now we're going to do steps to the side. It's real gentle. In 3, 2, and 1, just step out and out, and out, and out. Just real slow, real gentle. Get yourself working. This helps with the hip muscles. Just keep yourself limbered up, moving. If you want to play music while you're working out, that's a great thing to do. That keeps you on the beat of the music, and it keeps you from just hearing yourself. I like to use music. Okay, and back to walking. If you don't have a treadmill at home, this is a good way to just get moving, be active, keep your heart healthy. Just a gentle walk. Don't have to raise up real high with your legs. And we'll go forward and back again in 3, 2, and 1. Just one step forward, one step back. One step forward, one step back. One step forward, one step back, not too far. If at any time you don't feel steady, just lean on your chair. All these exercises can be done from a chair. If you're not able to stand long, you can just sit and move your legs. It gets your heart moving and helps you to feel better. Improves your attitude of the day by getting some exercise in. A couple more steps forward, a couple steps back. You'll notice your breathing gets a little more rapid. That means you're working those muscles. You'll get warmed up, your hands will get warmer. I know I have trouble with keeping my hands warm, and when I exercise, everything gets all warmed up, not cold anymore. Okay, and back to walking. Now we're going to go just a little bit faster pace. Now that we're warmed up, we're going to do some knee lifts. Not real high, just something gentle, left and right, and left and right, and left and right. And lift those legs, working your leg and hip muscles, getting you warmed up. And lift. Kind of like marching. Want to move your arms a little bit. Be just like marching. We don't have to carry heavy equipment like the band, but marching is always good. Okay, and back to walking. Sometimes we could walk around our chair too. That gives you something to walk around, simulating actual walking, which works good too. And we'll step to the side and out and out and out and back, 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 out and back. This is one of my favorite moves because it's easy on the legs, but it works good for the feet. Works the muscles in your feet and your hips. If you want to, you could move your arms. You can go like this with your arms. Get some arm movements in. Anything that you move all together increases your heart rate. Gets you going. And back to walking. If you want to add weights and you don't have weights at home, you can use a water bottle that's full. You can use a 4-pound bag of sugar. It depends on your strength of your arms that you would like to use. You can use a backpack or a can of canned vegetables, canned beans or something, and just hold it in your hand. And it makes a lot of weight that you can exercise with, but it's easy to hold in your hand. Also, a bag of beans is easy to grip and hold too while you're working out. Anything at home, there's lots of things you can use for weight instead of going out and buying a bunch of weights. Now we're going to step forward and back again. Forward, 1, 2, and back, 1, 2. Forward and back. Forward and back. Forward and back. And forward and back. Forward and back. And forward and back. You can exercise with your arms. Forward and back. And forward and back. I hope you're enjoying getting that heart rate up. You can tell your doctor you've been exercising with Rhonda. Having fun. It's nice low impact exercise so that if you have any issues with your legs or your heart or something, you can still do these. It's not too hard. Just a couple steps up and a couple steps back. And then we'll go back to walking. This gentle walking. If I'm going too fast for you, you go at the pace that is comfortable for you. If you feel unsteady at all, feel free to sit and use a chair or to hold on to the chair. Wow, we've got 10 minutes of exercise in and it's going really fast. Okay, so we're going to start to slow down just a little bit, get our heart rate coming down. We're going to do a short class today. And we're going to go back to stepping to the side, to the right, and back, to the right, and back, and right, and back. Kind of slow us down, be a little slower than the walking. This is great for those hip abductors and hip muscles. Get you up out of the chair. And before we're done, we'll do a couple stretches. Stretching reduces soreness after working out, and we don't want to be sore. So we'll do a couple stretches that you can do at home. It helps you to not be sore. Now we'll go to forward and back steps in 3, 2, and 1. Forward and back. 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 Forward. Just real easy. And back, and forward, and back, and forward, and back. I hope you'll come and see me here at Premier. I'm a fitness trainer. I'm hoping to see you and help you to work out with me. It's made a huge difference coming here at Premier for me. Okay. Let's start doing some stretches. I'm going to use a chair. I find it more helpful to use a chair. I'll turn it sideways so you can see. If you sit and put your legs out in front of you one at a time and stretch down, this will stretch the back of your leg and help you to get some of that soreness out. And you hold it for 10 to 20 seconds. If you can hold it for 30 seconds, that's good. And then after that leg, do the opposite leg. If you feel unsteady at all, hold on to your chair and try to hold that stretch. Now we could stretch the top of the leg. You could sit on your chair sideways and just push your leg back behind you. And that will stretch that top muscle called your quadricep on the top of your leg. We'll stretch that. Try to hold that for 20 to 30 seconds. I might be a little shorter holding it because I'm not really counting today. And then on the other side, oops, gotta turn this way. And push your leg back behind you. Stretch that muscle, but make sure you hold on to your chair so you don't lose your balance. Hold that muscle. And stretch it out. One more stretch is you can put your feet out in front of you and point your toes to the sky. And just kind of stretch those calf muscles and those feet out. And hold that for 20 to 30 seconds. Stretch those out. That feels really good. Now that's how you can stretch your legs. If you would prefer to do standing, you can also lean on your chair and put your leg out and stretch, steady yourself. This would be for the back of your leg. And you could do the other side as well. Just kind of lean back and stretch that leg But if you're uneasy at all, just use your chair. Okay, well, thank you for working out with me today and joining me. I hope you appreciated the class and had some fun, and that you're going to be healthier for it. Hope to see you again. Thank you.